Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever looked at a yellow school bus and thought, you know what this needs? Spanish tiles, mood lighting, and a king-size bed? No? Well, let me introduce you to Arizona, a former Blue Bird school bus that got a glow-up so good, even Pinterest blush. Built by the Welsh wizards over at Indigo and Olive, this handcrafted Skoolie doesn't just turn heads, it turns your whole worldview on what a vehicle can be. Before we get rolling like a busload of retirees on a wine tour, do us a solid and hit that subscribe button like you're punching out on a Friday. We've got more off-grid masterpieces, van life roasts, and the occasional meltdown over composting toilets coming your way weekly. Now, back to Arizona. This early 2000s Blue Bird once chauffeured screaming kids and now pampers minimalist dreamers. Measuring roughly 35 feet, 10.6 meters, in length, this rig has been transformed into a moving slice of desert paradise. I believe it's the kind of build that makes you want to wear linen and drink herbal tea while journaling about intentional living. Inside, you'll find whitewashed walls, terracotta tones, and more natural textures than my friend Tom's man cave, which, for the record, is just a hammock in his garage. There's a full kitchen with a propane stove, oven, and an adorable SMEG fridge. The countertop, solid wood, hand-finished. The sink, copper basin. The vibe? Chef's kiss. What I liked the most was the living room setup. There's a cushy sofa built right into the wall with hidden storage and a wood-burning stove that looks like it was forged in a tiny Italian village. Plus, they managed to fit a real bathroom in there, sink, composting toilet, and a shower with handmade tiles that feel more spa than Skoolie. Sleeping arrangements? A permanent bed set up at the rear with storage underneath and windows all around, so you wake up with views and not just someone knocking to ask if you're selling incense. Everything runs off solar. Panels on the roof feed into battery banks tucked underneath. It's fully off-grid, just how Talib and Chloe like it. Pricing? Well, Indigo and Olive sell these custom builds starting from around $75,000, 70,000 euros, but Arizona, with all its premium features, is likely priced north of $90,000, 85,000 euros. And honestly, I think that's a fair deal for a home that feels like it should come with its own yoga instructor. So if you're done with drywall and dying for a little soul in your living space, the Arizona might be calling your name. And if you want to help us keep finding these dreamy mobile builds, and dragging the clunkers while we're at it, consider becoming a sponsor for just $1. Links under the video, right next to the one where Tom tries to insulate a van with bubble wrap and optimism.